Hey, welcome back to the Mastering Binance Futures Trading. If this is the first time you're seeing me, my name is Solomon King. And in this video, I want to show you how you can create a demo account on Binance Futures Trading. A demo account is an account that helps you to practice. It's also known as a practice account. It's not a real account, but it has every feature that you have in your real account. You can trade the same way you can trade in the live account. So this actually helps you to make your mistakes and then learn from your mistakes. And then if you're joining us for the first time, this is an entire course. We have a complete playlist. These are the number of topics we have discussed so far in this course. Go ahead and watch every single video in this particular course to be able to learn and get started on Binance Futures Trading. And make sure you subscribe and share this video with your friends. And then don't forget to also hit the like button and make sure you subscribe to this particular channel. So I'll be sharing my screen right away with you to show you how to create demo account on Binance Futures Trading account. And then you can do this on your MacBook, you can do it on Windows, you can do it on Android, you can do it even on your Apple phone. Let's get right into it on my screen. Alright guys, welcome here to my screen. For those of you that are joining us for the first time, so basically in this particular video, I'm going to show you how to create a demo account. If you're completely new to the crypto space or financial markets, a demo account is actually a virtual account. It has the same features with the real account. Everything you'll be able to do with your live account, you'll be able to do on your demo account. The only difference is that the money in your real account is real, and then on your demo account is just a virtual money. You don't have access to withdraw it. And then another difference is that there is an emotional component to trading that will not be there in demo account, and that is an entire aspect of trading. It's called trading psychology, where you are taught how to master your emotions and how to be able to trade like a professional. So basically what demo account helps you to do is that you practice every single thing you're supposed to do in a live account. Then when you feel you're confident enough to go live, then you fund real money to be able to trade in the Binance Futures. I wish I had this when I started in the Binance Futures trading. I actually used most of my money to practice most of those things. Even though I was coming from a background of Forex trading, most of the things were not new to me. So basically, I will show you as a complete beginner how to do that. And then if you're joining us for the first time, guys, you probably have not seen quite a number of topics we have discussed in this particular course. I titled it Mastering Binance Futures Trading. We have discussed in-depthly most of these topics you are seeing. Go ahead and watch every single topic in this particular playlist. You can see right here where we have Mastering Binance Futures Trading. We have different topics right here. You can find it on my channel. So basically, to create Binance demo account is easy. You can create it on your MacBook, you can create it on Android, you can create it on iOS phone, you can create it on your desktop, whatever kind of device you have access to. So to get that, I will start creating it on my desktop, and then subsequently I will show you how to create it on your mobile phone. So to do that, what you need to do is to come right up here after you've logged in to your Binance. This is my Binance on the desktop version. You just head straight to where you see your avatar icon. This is your avatar icon. Then you scroll down to where you can see mock trading. You just click on mock trading. After clicking on mock trading, this is exactly what you will see. Binance account login testnet is requesting access to your binance.com account. The only thing you need to do is to click on continue, and then after clicking on that, you have your Binance demo account linked to your account. So this is basically what you need to do. And then you need to fund your account. Right here I have 3,000 USDT in my Binance demo account, and then you need to take some quiz just like the one I showed you in the first video. So basically all the responses, these answers may differ according to the time you're watching this video, but as at the time I'm making this video, the answers are the same way. But if for any reason the answers are not the same, you can go ahead and search the answers online. Just type Binance mock trading answers. You can find it on the playlist. First video is where all the answers are. If you go to the comment, these are all the answers. The first video of this particular playlist is where you have all the answers. So let me click on that, and then we answer all the questions, and then you go ahead and do everything you're supposed to do and answer all the responses that you're supposed to answer. And let's try this together So after answering your question, the next thing you will need to do is that you will need to fund your account to bring in money right here, just like the one I showed you during the real account creation. So you scroll down to where you see faucet, you click on faucet. After clicking on faucet, this is what you will see. You will just select the coin you're looking for and then click on add assets. It will just automatically add it, but you make sure you answer all the questions that you saw right up there, and then you have your Binance demo account created for you. So after funding your account, the next thing you need to do is to take trades. I'll just click on trading view. Let me change the view of this particular chart so that you see everything I'm doing right here. Don't forget, guys, make sure you answer all the questions I showed you in the first video, the introductory video of this particular course. So let me wait for it to load. So basically this is it, and I'm using trading view. Let me remove every single indicator you can see here so that we'll have a clear chart, and then I will show you how to practice with this particular account. Let me change this to arrow so that you see it right here. This is BTC USDT. So you can change your PA at any time, at any moment you want to change it. You can expand it, you can reduce it. So right here, let me reduce this one and expand this particular one, make it bigger, take it up. So this is the same chart you are seeing with your real chart. So there is no difference. This is BTC against USDT. You can add up any kind of favorite crypto you want to see right up here. You can see them. This is your favorite crypto that you want to trade on the Binance demo account. So at any point, if you want to trade, you can see right here we have different orders: limit order, market order. So I will use the market order. The market order will just fill you in at that instant. The real price that is in the market, you just have access to get filled in there. So I will use this to enter the market. And then remember, we talked about your margin. Let me take it back to 5, or I can take it to 10. Let me leave it as 10 and click on confirm, and then I will change this to isolated and then click on confirm. After clicking on confirm, now the next thing to do is to take trades. I'll click on size. I will select this one to USDT because this is what I have right up here. I will want to enter trade with some certain percentage of my money. Let's say I want to enter with just 10% of my money. That's what I want to take this trade with. So I want to go long, which is also known as buy right here. I'll just delete this. So after selecting everything, the next thing I will do is to click on this buy, and then it will show me that market buy order field. If you scroll down now to this particular place where you see position, you have open order, you have order history. Position is actually the active market you have, or the active trade you have in this particular market. So right here you can see liquidation price. When BTC reaches this particular amount, I will get liquidated. And then the mark price is this entry price. I entered the market at this particular price. So the next one is your profit and then loss. This is what I'm seeing right here, my loss and then profit. I can modify this order at any time. I can just go ahead and put my stop loss, take profit at any time, just like a real account. Everything is the same. There is no difference with this. You can take trades and then practice how to take trades on this particular demo account. So you can do a lot of things, and then after you've practiced, then you can try a real account and then see how effective you would be with that. Those of you that are using your mobile phone to access the futures trading platform, now I will show you how to create your demo account, also known as your mock trading account. It's pretty much easy to do, just like the one I showed you right on the desktop. So once you come right here to your mobile phone, you scroll down to where you see the items right here. You can access the futures here, or you can simply come to more, and then you go to where you see trades. You click on trades, and then you can see different options right here, and then you just click on mock trading. Once you click on mock trading, this is absolutely what you will see, or alternatively you can access it via the futures interface. All you have to do is to go back to where you see futures, click on futures. After clicking on futures, now you go right up here where you see this particular symbol, 1 to 3 dots. You just click on that. After clicking on that, you can see mock trading right here. You click on mock trading, and then you will have access to start tour, or you can simply click on continue, and then it's about to create your mock trading account. Right here you have your mock trading account. Remember the position I opened on the desktop, that is what I'm seeing right here. You click on the tour, welcome to cryptocurrency contract trading page. You click on next, and then click for set to request for funds. That's the same thing we did on the desktop. Go ahead and fund the account and then start trading on it immediately. So this is how to create it on your mobile phone. It's pretty much easy to do. Anyone can do it on his mobile phone. So go ahead and do it, then create your mock trading account. So basically everything here will give you access to practice very well, and then you'll be able to take more trades. So this is all about this video. I showed you how to create a mock account, how to track trades, how to answer the quiz questions. Remember, the quiz questions is in the first comment of the first video of this particular course in the playlist. So go ahead and answer everything and try it. And then let's get to the next video where I will teach you how to do money management, how to protect yourself from so much risk exposure. So go ahead and click on the video that is displayed right now on your screen, and let's get right into it. Thank you for watching, guys.